I can't believe it. The old crown that was restored less than 3 months ago is already going to be rebuilt again. What is going on? I thought it would stay in this condition. Unexpectedly, he was. Honestly, it's hard to even describe. Several parts weren't installed properly, and it gets worse. The engine oil pan looks like it went through a disaster, almost completely sealed in thick mud, leaving the mechanics unsure where to even begin, so they had no choice but to push through. The interior still looks quite new, but unfortunately, it will have to be redone as well. So let's get started, and begin by stripping the interior cleanly. The A-pillar was damaged once. The bracket of the disassembled seat was severely rusted. The interior parts have been fully removed and are ready for rewrapping. Next, the engine will be separated from the body. Once the underbody panel was removed, the damage underneath was obvious, and even the engine oil looked aged and worn out. After removing the engine, we discovered oil leaks in many different places. The chassis section has been fully stripped, and next we begin a thorough cleaning. Clean again with dry ice. The engine compartment also needs to be cleaned with dry ice. Then spray on chassis armor for rust prevention and protection. Before disassembling the engine, we first examine the surface, which shows over 20 years of wear and buildup. The engine interior is in such bad condition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Now waiting for cleaning while the exterior body components are removed. Removal of exterior body parts. Many areas of the paint were too worn, so the entire car had to be fully polished. The bottom is badly rusted. Any uneven areas were smoothed out using professional tools. The front section has been polished and is now ready for further restoration work. Smooth out all the uneven areas. We removed all 4 doors and 2 covers to make the subsequent polishing easier. The engine has been fully cleaned and is ready for complete reinstallation using upgraded original parts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Engine installation completed. Dry ice treatment of wire harness. The effect after cleaning. The chassis parts are ready to be reinstalled using new original components, and all removed parts have been refurbished. A brand new ferry motor from 20 years ago. The chassis installation is complete, and the before and after of the chassis refurbishment is clear. All remaining parts have been organized and the engine is about to be started. Engine starts without abnormality. Interior cleaning begins. It came out so dirty after disassembly. The effect after cleaning. Rust removal treatment of instrument panel frame. The interior seats are all wrapped up and ready to be assembled. We installed brand new original headlights along with the grille trim exterior moldings and bumper strips. Bushing reset prevents rapid aging and cracking of the rubber sleeve. Finally, let's take a look at the overall results of this car. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.